What's up guys and girls, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going on the Black Unity ride, which is to celebrate, will be part of Black Pound Day. So we're going to go there. I think it's going to be quite a big event. I've already done 40 miles today, Regent's Park laps with the Black Cyclist Network. But yeah, let's go check it out, show you guys what it's about, get some good footage, enjoy the day. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, so stick with me. Woo! Wow. Okay, so we've just arrived and there is loads of people. I reckon there's probably about 200-300 people here, maybe 200. It's going to be a good ride. There's a police escort as well, so it's going to be good. I think they might have shut some roads. Let's get some good footage, hopefully get everyone on the road. Nice safe ride, that's the main thing. But yeah, awesome turnout, can't wait. How are we doing? How are we doing? Gather round, gather round. Woo!
Today is about love, it's about unity, it's about empowerment, yeah? We ride in peace, we ride in joy. Today we're celebrating and supporting Black Pound Day. So Black Pound Day is the first Saturday of every month where we're encouraging everybody to support black businesses. So this is what it's about. Everything today is positive vibes. Give yourselves a round of applause one more time. Greetings, good people. West London in the house. Tree man, tree man. South London in the house. North London in the house. East London in the house. So we're in the house, we're a community. We're riding together, we're rolling with love. Rolling with love today.
Yes sir.
Look after each other on the road. My name is Adisa, I'll be leading at the front. Woo! Thank you. And the brothers with the armbands on, with these African print armbands, will be stewards guiding us as well, so please work with them, okay? Today is about the spirit of Harambee. Harambee is a Swahili word that literally means let us pull together. So let's try this. I'm going to say 1, 2 and 3, then we're going to say Harambee. That's our rallying cry. 1, 2, 3. Harambee! So when we stop and I say 1, 2, 3, everyone's like Harambee, and we're together. We move. Introduce a brother here, a really important brother, part of BCN Cycle, brother Manny. Come forward, please, sir. Yeah. Brother Manny is we don't know, he's the founder of BCN. Yeah, BCN Cycle Group. Yeah, really powerful unit. Roll with them, you see the brothers around here. When we're riding, I'm at the front and I raise my hand in the air like so, straight up in the air, it means I'm stopping. So we're slowing, it's not an abrupt stop, we're slowing when the hand goes up. Throughout the whole ride, we're easy on the brakes. We're riding together in a huge peloton. Look out for each other. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! That's the spirit of moving with, okay? Yeah, you can tap me, I deserve that.
They're just getting everything organised. I gave a little brief, as you saw. We're just heading out, I think. We're going to get going. The route is 14 miles. I'm going to overlay the route now. So it's from Walthamstow Station to Brockwell Park in Brixton, so it's a 14-mile route. London. So we're going from North London to South London. It's going to be a good one. Let's get on the road. Hopefully everyone stays safe. In a bit. Okay, so we're rolling out. There are loads of people, so nice and steady. But yeah, it's good atmosphere, such a positive atmosphere here. Feels really, really good. What a great cause. Pleased to be part of it, pleased to document it. There are bikes everywhere. We're going to see how it goes, but we might duck out a little bit early. Awesome, such positive energy. There's people in cars just jumping out, getting involved, feeling the energy, adding to the energy. Amazing turnout. I don't really know what to say. Just going to record and film and hope that I capture it all for you guys. Awesome, like the feeling riding in a group that size, and like especially when it's for such a good cause, for Black Pound Day, Black Unity Ride. For those who don't know what Black Pound Day is, do check it out. Absolutely incredible, really. Massive turnout. Riding there on the road, there must be around 1,000 people. It's a massive, super organised event as well, very well organised. But yeah, really great to get a massive experience of it. Now if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, do hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I release more. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.